Hey guys, it's Jonathan. In all my videos, we find trades using unusual options activity, and then we manage trades using what's called the high value target tool. This tool does three things. The first thing it does, it's a scanner. So it allows you to find trades. The second thing it does is it tells you when to enter, and the third, when to exit. So let me walk you through exactly how we use this. I use this tool every single day for every trade. Crypto art. It's simple and straightforward. As traders, we want decisions to be black and white. Pablo, we are very bullish uranium. One of those names is LEU. LEU is in front of you. If we look at LEU going back 2 years, you can see sell signals, buy signals. Sell, sell, buy, sell, buy. The thing about this tool is it keeps you on the edges of the market. So here's how it works. And this provides ultra discipline, because you're going to get a buy signal if it goes outside that 4 standard deviation band and then comes inside that 3. You get the buy signal. But the greatest thing about this, and why I use it so often, is it lets the market breathe. You're not getting a sell signal until it really retraces and comes back within that 3 standard deviations away from that 21-day historical moving average. I say to my clients all the time, we need to stay on the edges. The high value target tool does that for me. So this tool gives you buy signals, it sell signals. It also is a scanner. But let me show you a couple more names before we walk you through how the scanner works. Here's Paya. Paya is a name that's been coming up on our Wall Street wiretapper, unusual options activity. Got a sell signal here. Sell, buy, buy. Here come the real buys. Boom, boom. Again, it keeps you on the edges. Roblox, a name that we trade often. Sells, buys. But it keeps you away from every single down move. Here, you see it didn't get extended enough to the 4 standard deviation to give us that buy signal. So that trade wasn't for us. But here, it loaded it up. Sell, sell, sell. We're getting really, really toppy. So now I can just run through some names so you can see. Here's Snap. You see it's all sell signals, all sell signals. Buy, good. Buy, good. When I get all the sell signals, ignore them. When you get that buy signal, that's when you want to jump on. S&P futures, you can see the same thing. S&P futures, look at all those sell signals, because right, markets only go up, but when they do go down and you do get those buy signals, that's the key. And you can see what, 3 buy signals to like 50 sell signals. Beam, a high flying biotech. Here's Lucid. Here's TLT, do it on bonds. For bonds, I put it on a weekly, a little bit slower mover. Again, stay on those edges. Stay on the edges and wait, wait, wait until it comes right back in, and there's your buy. There's your sell. Sonos, nice back and forth. Some buy signals right down here. The crazy mushroom trade, a tie. Get the buy. IPO sells off, gets the buy. We're long. We're going to cover because of that sell signal. Gives you the entry point and then gives you the exit point. Here's a fun one, silver futures. Put it on a weekly, let's get some more data. Sells off, comes right back in. The reason we are long silver, specifically, I'm long PAS, is because of this. Better yet, I'm long PAS because I want to be long silver. I really want to be long silver bullion. Doing that through PSLV. Same thing though, right? We get that green buy signal. Historically, I think it's been pretty freaking good. So that's an example of the charting. Now let's walk over to the scanner, because we want to be long silver. We want to be long metals, for example. The scanner, you can ask that specific question. Hey, Mr. Scanner, find me some green buy signals on names in the metals complex. Okay, so here's how the scanner works. Just going to load the scan. We're looking for buys. We're looking for sells. Let's look for buys. And let's look for buys in that metal complex. So we scroll down. By industry, pick whatever industry you want. For us, we're going to do metals and mining. Select all metals and mining. Scan. 32 results. Got some crappy results here, right? All these with zero volume, with no market cap. Easy. Add a filter. Stock. Market cap. Well, let's look for stocks with a market cap, I don't know, over 200 million. It'll clean this up a little bit. And then what do we find? We got 6 different names. Let's look at these 6 different names because for each one of these, we're going to get a buy signal. BHP. BHP, you can see the buy signals right here. SMTS, Sierra Metals. Not too familiar with the company, but if you're looking for long exposure in the metals complex, we want to trade on the edges. We want to wait till we have those buy signals. Cheap stock, $2 stock. Maybe this is the answer, maybe not. But this definitely makes the list of things you should consider to get long metals. What if we want to switch things up? What if instead of buying something in the metals, we want to go and look in a different industry, and maybe we want to look for banks. Select all banks, scan. These are banks that are going to give us a buy signal. TD, GWB. Toronto Bank, Toronto Dominion. Buy signal, buy signal. It looked like it started up here. They give you another one, they give you another one. Not the best historically, but if you are looking for a buy signal in a bank, there you go. Great Western Bancorp. Now this one looks pretty good. Sells, sells, buy a touch early. One more time. Hey, it's time to get out. Maybe it's time to get short. It's time to get out. Maybe it's time to get long. We call this controlling your position. Controlling your position means a name like GWB, when it gets down here and you get that buy signal, you're never short. You're only looking to get long. If you are long puts, that's when you want to cover. So the high value target tool, guys, we use for entry points, we use for exit points, and we use as a scanner. And this is a tool that I use every single day along with unusual options activity. If you have any questions at all, my name is Jonathan Rose. You can contact me, support@mastersinTrading. Thanks for watching the video, guys.